on another flight with my mum. This time, where are we going, Mum?
Lanzarote.
We're going Lanzarote, but this time we've got the husband, the kids, the whole family's here, and my brother's joining us in a few days. So let's see how we do on this trip. Bye!
Have they filmed? Have they stamped that? Yes! They have actually stamped. Where's the camera?
Just climbing down the rocks to get Nan's hat. Nan, I had a feeling in my head that your hat's gonna fly off.
Hey Dal, let's go and collect Mum and the kids. Take that. Cheers. What have you done there, Mum?
I fell over when I took the girls down.
She's had a fall.
I had a bit of a fall, I did. But I'm not getting a scooter, I'm not. I'd rather crawl on my hands and knees.
She's a tough old bird, she
Tough
is.
old bird, I am.
Talking of birds, a pigeon.